Praxis Business School. I am from PGDM batch 2024 to 26 and I have been placed at PwC AC as a tax associate. My journey at Praxis Business School has been informative and transformative. I came with a hope of enhancing my skills in communication and overall broadening my perspective in corporate world, and the expectation has been exceeded with my experience here. The placement process was quite rigorous, competitive, and also rewarding. I focused on enhancing my fundamentals and technical part, and also tried to learn from every mock interview. Throughout the process, my faculties, mentors, friends, and also my seniors have helped me and built my confidence throughout the process. Through hands-on project, real-life case studies, and also peer learning, I have gained deep learning in problem solving and teamwork. One of the key lessons I will carry forward too is that consistency and preparation always leads to growth and success. To the juniors, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and make the most out of every opportunities. I would like to say that I am very thankful and grateful to all the faculties and mentors and seniors, and especially my parents, for their constant support throughout this journey. Thank you.